Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my Southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today, I'm going to share with all of you a sweet honey pie. And the honey pie is a custard-based pie. It's creamy, so simple and easy to make. It is the bomb.com delicious and full of honey goodness. If you're looking for a different pie to serve for your Thanksgiving dinner, y'all gonna love this. Y'all are in for a treat. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, roast chicken with citrus and garlic. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your milk, and your honey sugar, because we're about to bake some honey pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. And in 2-hour eggs, we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup each of white and packed light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, that's a cupful, and the star of the show, the honey. We're going to add in 1/2 cup. And here's a tip. Make sure you spray your measuring cup with cooking spray so that way the honey will easily come out. Going to give everything a quick whisk until they're well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set this aside while we heat up some milk. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium-low heat. We're going to add in 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. Oh yes. So now we're going to let the milks heat up. Alright, my friends, the milks have heated through and it's steamy. So now we're going to take a ladle of the milk and pour it into the honey mixture, like so. I'm going to add a little bit more. That's good. And we're going to temper these so that way we don't get scrambled eggs. Alright, that's good. So now we're going to pour it into the milk. Give it a quick stir. So now we're going to let this cook until it thickens. Alright, my friends, our honey filling is nice and thick. See? That looks great. So now we're ready to pour it into the pie crust. We're going to pour it in the 9-inch pre-baked pie shell. And I'm just using a deep dish pie crust, but I have a recipe for a homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Alrighty, now we're ready to put this honey pie in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my pie out of the oven. It smells amazing. Love the smell of honey. And the crust is golden brown. Now, this is the important step right here. We gotta let it cool completely, because when you take it out of the oven, it still be a little jiggly. But honey, once it cools, it'll hold its shape and it'll firm up. And then I'm gonna set it in the refrigerator. Alright, my friends, there you have it, sweet honey pie. Doesn't that look good? It's nice and firm. And I garnish it with some whipped cream on the sides. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I drizzled it with some honey and more whipped cream. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. The crust is perfectly cooked. You can taste the honey and the custard. It's flavorful. Sugar, sugar, oh honey, honey. This honey pie is amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum, oh, just melts in your mouth. Honey pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. And happy Thanksgiving.